Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're a book girly like me, then this is a must-have because not only does it make your bookshelf look cool, but also it doubles as a flower vase. This is the Pride and Prejudice ceramic book vase from Hazel and Harold. This is my new favorite thing because it incorporates my love of books, my love of flowers, and helps add more decoration to my house that feels more like me. What's really nice is the size of it. It fits a bouquet of flowers. The ceramic is really nice and thick. It feels durable and very well crafted. Design wraps all the way around, and then on the back it has a nice quote from Pride and Prejudice. Even then on the sides it has the ridges so it looks like a book on all sides of it. What's really great is that this ceramic vase can be used for multiple things. So if you're like me and you wanted to use it for flowers, but also maybe you wanted to put a potted plant, or maybe you want it in your kitchen to put your different utensils. No matter where you're going to want to put this book vase, it is so versatile and it's going to make any room just pop. And if you're not currently using it, you can just stick it right back in your bookshelf, because the other thing that makes it special is that the spine is also beautiful. If you have someone in your life that loves books, they're going to love this. Of course, they're double gonna love it if they love Jane Austen like me. This is gonna be a great gift for them because it is so versatile, it is so well crafted, and it's just overall beautiful looking. Or if you're that book lover, it's gonna make a great gift for yourself. What can I say? This is going to make your day happy every time you look at it, but that's just my point of view.